Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study pivoting with Don't Aggregate feature of Power Query in Microsoft Excel. So here I have with me a data in which I have names of different coffee shops listed in column number B. In column C, I have the headers like Wi-Fi, outlets, atmosphere, food, and 24-hour availability. And in the details column, I have slow, sufficient, mellow, and so on. Wouldn't it be nice if I have the data in a grid-like fashion, wherein on the left side I have the venue name, on the top I have the headers, and in the center I can get to see the details, so that at a glance I can select any coffee shop in which there is great music and there is a full menu, or any coffee shop in which there is only pastries availability, and so on. So let me show you how you can do that. Click anywhere inside the data, right click and select Get Data from Table/Range. My table has headers, so click on OK. Now right-click on the heading Venue, select Field and select Down. Now click on the heading Headers. These are the column headings. After that, click on Transform and select Pivot Column. In Pivot Column, in the Values column, select Details. And then don't forget to click on the Advanced options, and where you have Count All, click on the drop down and select Don't Aggregate. Then click on OK and our pivot is ready. So you have the coffee names listed on the left side, the coffee shop names, and on the top you have the headings like Wi-Fi, outlets, atmosphere, food availability, and in the center we can see which feature is present in which coffee shop. Finally, I'll click on Home and select Close and Load, and all this data will come into Excel sheet, and at a glance I can see which particular coffee shop is having the fastest Wi-Fi, or which coffee shop is offering the full menu, or which coffee shop there are only pastries, or which coffee shop is available only 24 hours, and so on. So friends, hope you have learned something new with this pivot and don't aggregate feature of Power Query. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.